Now let's look at how to change the colors and fonts across your entire site. Over in the left-hand toolbar, click on Site Design. Then click on Color Theme. When changing these individual colors, the changes will apply across your site. If you wanted to change the accent colors, for instance, you could click this color to edit, and you'll see this section update live. But I'll cancel this for now. Or if you want to try a completely different look, you can click on Change Color Theme here. You can generate a color theme with a logo or from text. Or you can scroll through some of these featured themes. If you choose one, it will apply to your website in one click. I'll keep the current color theme. You can also do a similar thing with the text and font across your website. I'll go back and back once more, and here you can check the text theme. You can choose your heading font or your paragraph font, or you can change the text theme here. If you click one, it will change across your entire site. Maybe I'll go with something like this.